references would agree to that. Eggs, when used as an ingredient, contribute to the flavor of the finished product, and when whole or egg yolk are used, the lipids within enhance the eating experience. In general, fats such as those contained in the whole eggs or egg yolk influence the rheological properties and sensory characteristics such as flavor, mouthfeel, and texture. Fortification or protein enrichment. Among other nutritional benefits, some formulations concentrate on protein fortification or enrichment of the food that may or may not already contain protein. Consumers in the past few years indicate that they are interested in increasing the protein intake, with the majority of selecting eggs as their preferred option for the protein fortification. One large egg contains a wide variety of nutrients for a relatively low calorie count, with just 70 calories, containing 6 grams of high quality protein. For this reason, egg and egg products are considered nutrient rich. According to a definition by USDA, nutrient dense foods and beverages provide vitamins, minerals, and other substances that may have positive health effects with relatively few calories. In addition, the definition states that nutrients and other beneficial substances have not been diluted by the addition of energy from the added solid fats, added sugars, or other solid fast nutrients present in the foods. Food formulated with egg products contain all the nutrition originally from the egg product, including high quality protein, trans fats, free mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and other highly bioavailable nutrients with recognized health and wellness benefit. Uh, the essential amino acid composition of the egg protein is similar to human body requirement, allowing the body to use the protein more efficiently to maintain the muscle tone and strength as the body ages. The egg lipid portion, which is found primarily in the yolk, contains about 5% of the daily value of the fat soluble vitamin D, a nutrient associated with bone health. It is source of lutein and zeaxanthin. The two nutrients classified as xanthophyll and carotenoid has been shown to contribute to eye health. While egg contain only small amount of these nutrients, the lipid portion is also concentrated source of choline, a nutrient necessary for normal functioning of all cells in all people, with some segments of the population requiring more choline during their certain life stages such as pregnancy. Moisturizing or humectancy. Humectancy, particularly in baked goods, require the formulator achieve a delicate balance between the moisture, eating quality, and water activity control. Too much water activity will promote the mold growth, effectively ending the product shelf life. Too little water, in case of the staling and retrogradation, and other product also has longer stable, suitable for consumption. Egg products can assist with the moisture control by binding the water, help the humectancy, or by adding a coating to help trap the moisture in the final finished product. Each type of the baked good, depending on the ratio of its individual ingredient, will exhibit a different relationship between its moisture content and its water activity level. Egg protein bind water, making it less available for microorganisms to grow and can cause spoilage. Overall, egg help reduce the moisture losses from the baked product to extend the shelf life by helping form a proper cell structure of the baked product. Proper cell structure traps the moisture and holds it, where the retrogradation or staling occurs when these cell structures collapse. Particularly in gluten-free formulation, egg product help to contribute these moisturizing or humectancy to help the optimizing the moisture, not just for better shelf life but also for better product density and brings up leavening. Leavening is basically production or incorporation of gases in the baked product to increase the volume to produce a shape and particular shape or texture. Without the air or steam, baked goods essentially would be flat. Egg can contribute to this process of leavening in two ways. First, when fresh or refrigerated frozen eggs are present in a formulation or a recipe, they contribute liquid, which then converts to steam as the product is heated with the steam, or primary factor is leavening. Second, egg white when whipping aerated product or help to create the air cell that eventually filled by the steam. As the liquid within the baked good turns to steam or form gases with the heat, the steam pushes out the wall of the air cells and expands them. In addition, egg protein coagulate, they form a network within the gluten. The network formed between the combination of the protein and starch sets the wall of the air cells to hold the product shape on its spool. Egg, according to multiple sources, have a great ability to leaven or puff off the foods when air is beaten into them, and that they aid in leavening overall baking applications. Part of this due to the fact that the egg whites are capable of expanding and creating a foam that is 6 to 8 times of their initial volume. When air is incorporated into the protein molecule in egg white, the protein unwind or stretch to form an elastic web that encases the air bubbles. Adding an acid such as cream of tartar, vinegar, or lemon juice can help the strengthen or stabilize the egg white foam. Room temperature egg white create the best form volume or stability. Whole egg or yolk can also trap or hold the air that expands during the heating or leavening of the cake batters or other products. Popover eclairs or cream puffs are some of the example of chemical leaveners, but rely on steam coagulation and starchelation for structure to create their characteristic shape. It is leavening action supplied by the liquid ingredients such as eggs that creates the airy form due to a large cavity in the center. Baking helps the protein coagulate and properly set the structure. pH stability. The functional definition of the pH in measurement of the acidity or alkalinity of this solution commonly measured by a scale between 0 to 14. The pH 7 is considered neutral, with lower pH being acidic and higher values alkaline or caustic. pH is most important for all analytical measurements in industrial processes to produce the product with the consistent, well-defined properties to effectively produce products at optimal cost to avoid the causing health problems to consumer to meet the regulatory requirements. The whole egg are relatively pH neutral. Egg white is one of the few food products that is naturally alkaline with an initial pH of about as low as 7.6, but by increasing the alkalinity, the age as the egg ages reaches up to 9.2. Factors that can influence the pH of the egg includes the age of the hen at the time of the lay. The pH of a fresh egg yolk is about 6 and increase to 6.4 to 6.9 during storage. Storage at refrigerator temperature generally slows the pH changes and helps reduce the rate of the thick egg white from thinning. In general, the egg pH stable does not disrupt the food product formulation in terms of foaming. A key functional benefit of egg white, in particular protein, creates more stable form at a pH than that is near 7 and are less functional as the number rise to 9. In order to help the stabilize the egg white foam, a common approach is adding a cream of tartar, which lowers the pH of the egg white and shortens the time necessary to produce a foam. Richness. One of the richness is described as is hard to define in words, but easy to experience on one's tongue. Richness it as they brought about a complex blend of taste, aroma, component working in harmony to provide smooth, succulent, and desirable taste profile. In mayonnaise, for example, the egg yolk work in multiple ways, including the surface active agents lecithin and cholesterol, while the egg proteins help to form a solid gel structure when coagulated by the added acid components in the style formation. Much of the creaminess and the richness of mayonnaise is obtained from the combination of oil and egg in the formulation. Even color play a role in consumer perception of richness. Fat-soluble carotenoids, mainly xanthophylls and minor amount of carotenes, are responsible for deep yellow-orange color of the yolk. Certain breads, including the whole egg and extra yolks, commonly described as food breads, rely on eggs to provide these breads with increased volume, added richness, better shelf life, and additional protein contents. The shelf life extension. Freshly baked grain-based foods tends to lose their desirable tender crumb within few days, An increase in the number of commercial bakeries are looking for more natural methods to extend the shelf life, and egg products can help to maintain the quality throughout the anticipated shelf life of the baked goods. Scaling, drying out, or retrogradation is the result of an irreversible process that liberates water and collapses the starch molecule. The starch chain swells with water when bread or other baked good is heated in an oven. As it cools, the starch chains start to lose their moisture. As the water migrates to other parts of the product, eventually evaporates, leaving the starch molecule to collapse. Then the crumb degrades and leaves the leaves the product with a dry mouthfeel. Egg yolk contain lecithin, all natural emulsifier, with one end that dissolves in water and the other end that dissolves in oil. The emulsifier lodges into the space between the highly branched starch chain to retard the onset or the rate of firming in the baked good. In addition, egg yolk has a beautiful yellow hue due to xanthophyll content, leading to baked good with a richness in terms of color, which contributes to the perceived quality and freshness. Egg white contains a unique protein found nowhere else in the human body, supply the entrapped air to create a foam 6 to 8 times greater in volume than the unwhipped egg white.